Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip Z7, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So let's set up a new face model for the phone. Let's go to settings, then select lock screen and AOD, screen lock and biometrics, then confirm with your PIN or password, then select face recognition, and if you have some previous face models enrolled on this device, then remove them before adding a new one. Then before we continue, let's also make sure that the lights in the room where you are at are properly set up so that you can clearly see your facial features in the camera. For the same reason, use the dry towel to wipe the frontal camera of your device. Do it very carefully, not to damage it. When you're ready, please continue, press register and proceed by adding a new face model to your device. Follow the instructions and look directly in the camera. And when you're ready, let's also make sure that the system is up to date on your phone. So go to the settings, then go to software update. And if you have some updates to install, then take your time and install them. And just before you proceed, let's restart the phone to make sure that the change is applied. So hold down the power key, select restart, confirm, and wait until the phone reboots. When your phone is restarted, give it some time to reload. And let's unlock it first using the PIN code or a password or a screen lock pattern. Then let's try to use our facial recognition feature right now. Okay, it worked well for me the first time. Now let's try it one more time and one last time. And as you can see, everything works properly for me, and I hope that it does for you too. And if it does, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.